thing don dey work.
See, the thing no dey do like this. Check again, the thing dey okay now.
You know, this one na new one now. It's supposed to be like that. If you do it, you can see am now. So if you are not using it now, you will take it out, you will wash am. So the thing go last, and you will just wash all the nail that need the boat. Even sometimes, if you are not using, maybe a month after this one, you will use wetin dem dey call am, grease or oil to rub the body, so the body will be okay. Nothing will do am again. You can see am now. The motor is working now. So the sucker that we bring is working. Even those people come tell us that there is a problem before, the thing is shaking. But now that we bring the new one, it's not shaking. Nothing happened to it. Everything is okay. You can see it. That's it. You can see how the motor is working inside there.